Summer 62, picnic with Dell'Annos and Kings. There's Clara Dell'Anno.
We don't know what that is.
Matching outfits always.
Say, twins. Look at all the fish.
Somebody been fishing.
Yeah. Uncle Warren. Warren and Dad with string of fish. Okay.
That was a good dinner. Oh, they cut the pants off of the shorts.
That's right. He looks like a little Peanuts character with those little saddle shoes and...
Oh.
Right?
He wants to go get in the water.
Is that, that looks like Prospect Park, maybe.
Would be.
Yeah, it doesn't say.
I bet it is.
Yeah.
Yeah, that is Prospect. Corvair. Strutting.
Yep. Here we come.
Looks like a pretty small car.
Yeah.
Yeah, I remember we liked that car because we could sit in the back and put our feet on the floorboard.
Unsafe at any speed.
Yeah.
Xmas 62, Perrin St. At home.
Looks like what you doing. There's the stuff.
Yeah.
Oh, that looks pretty fancy.
Slot cars, yeah. No, that was the
Looks like a
train
race
track.
Oh, train track. Okay.
You know they spent all night assembling that.
And that train is packed away in the basement. It was used in 1962, so I don't know how old it is, but it's an old Lionel.
Yeah.
You still have it?
Mm-hmm.
That's
You
cool.
do?
That's really cool. Oh, ironing.
Phil would rather, and he's got my baby doll, and he'd rather iron.
And play with the baby doll.
Yeah. More guns. Like, the string around his.
I remember those.
Mm-hmm.
It's like a little gas station. Oh, it is.
Mm-hmm. And the Nash family.
Yeah.
This is
Roger's in the wheelchair now.
this is at home at our house. It says.
Is that Roger in the wheelchair?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So why did he end up in a wheelchair?
He had polio.
Okay. It's like a big turkey.
Mm-hmm. There's Anne. But he was always happy and smiling.
Yeah.
Here's where we're doing the twist. Kids dancing. Look at.
You
Ah,
gotta wonder what they're saying.
it was such a ham on these. See what I do? Cut our heads off.